Welcome to the best of Zoho CRM for everyone. Let's start this episode with the help of a common business scenario. Sales teams in organizations are constantly negotiating deals. During such negotiations, they may offer discounts to clients in order to close deals faster or gain a competitive edge. However, if their discount exceeds a certain percentage, they may need the approval of the finance team. Otherwise, they may risk compromising pricing or reducing profit margins. Now, the problem here is that these manual approvals are time-consuming, which is why organizations need a centralized process for deal discount approval like the Central Finance Approval System. In today's episode, let's see how we can set up and implement such a system using CRM for Everyone features like team modules and more. Now, I'm in the Zoho CRM Administrator account where the Central Finance Approval process has already been set up. Let me just walk you through it. To start with, I will go to the Deal Module Customization page. Here, you can see the discount field, which is a percentage field type, and a discount approval status pick list with these values. Next is the workflow rules setup for the deal module. As per this, the rules will be executed whenever a deal is closed or edited after the condition is met. Like when the discount percentage is between 10 to 20%, actions such as field update and create a connected record will be executed. In the field update, we are updating the discount approval status pick list field to approval request set. Then, in the create connected record action, the default fields are set up with relevant merge fields. The discount approval status field from this module is mapped to the reference module's discount approval status field, which in this case is deals. We will now look at the module tab. I will switch to the finance team space and you can see the discount approvals team module. From the more actions, I will select manage user access. And then from the pop-up that appears here, I will switch to the members tab. Here, members from the finance team have already been added. If needed, you can add more users. Next, under process management, I am selecting process approval. When I click on the discount approval process, you can see that if the discount is between 10 to 20%, certain users can approve. Now, if it is more than 20%, then the users will approve in a sequential manner. And lastly, comes the connected workflow configuration. This is for our primary module, which in this case is deals. So our deals module will now be connected to the discount approval team module. Here I have set up two triggers. First, when the discount approval status is approved, its associated deal records, discount approval status field gets updated to approved. Second, when the discount approval status is rejected, the same gets updated in the deals module. Now, those are all the configurations we will need to set up the process. Now, let's implement it and see how it works. Let us assume I'm from the sales team, and from the deals module, I will open a deal record. After negotiating with the client, I will update this discount field to say 15% and then save it. Now the workflow is triggered. This means the discount approval status field is updated to sent for approval, and a connected record is created in the discount approval team module. You can see the discount approval team module right here. Now, as the discount is 15% and the record is assigned to a specified user from the finance team. For the next step, we will switch to the account of a finance team user. Here, in the discount approval module, this record is under approval. In this case, I, the finance team user, will click on the record and respond as approve. I can also enter the comment and then hit approve. the discount approval status filed is updated to approved. I will click on the deal record from the connected to, and as we can see, the field discount approval status has been updated to approved using the connected workflow. See that? Zero manual work, quick collaboration, and easy deal closure. And that's how an organization can set up a central finance approval system. Do try, and I'll see you shortly. Thank you.